large companies, they have all policies and procedures already in place and each person deals with certain things. In small companies, you'll have policies and procedures, basic ones, but you're dealing with issues on an ongoing basis and they can change from day to day. So in my initial role, I think one of the things I had to always do was be prepared for anything, and now Phil's prepared for anything.
Workplace Plus has been specifically designed to meet a company's HR and employment advisory services. Essentially, we step into the shoes and act as the company's in-house HR manager and deal with any issues as and when they arise throughout the duration of the contract.
We'd been thinking for some time as a company that there was something missing within our HR services that we provided. And being a small organisation, it's not always possible to have a resource which specialises in such a large area as employment law. Workplace Plus has allowed us to have the flexibility of that service, whereby we have a specialist available to us to support us as and when required.
Right from the outset, we'll go and visit a client at their premises to understand the client's needs, and what we'll focus upon is undertaking a full audit of the company's HR and employment products. So for instance, we will draft any documentation or take them through a disciplinary or grievance procedure, for instance.
Well, as soon as we got the workplace product, we decided to do three things. We updated our employment contracts, we amended our staff handbook, generated a brand new one, and also refreshed all of our policies and procedures.
At any time that the company has an issue or has a problem, they will just contact us and a designated solicitor will deal with their HR problem. Significantly, the Workplace Plus product has built-in insurance protection, so that in the event an employee or a former employee does bring a claim against you, you're fully covered in terms of your legal costs and any compensation that may be awarded against you at an employment tribunal.
They've been amazing. Everything is so easy. I have a question, I can make a phone call or send an email, and it doesn't matter when I do this, I'm always going to get a prompt response. It's taken away some of the worry actually from trying to ensure that I always get it right.
The cost for the product is based on a company's size and its annual gross wage roll. But what we're happy to do is to go and visit the client at the premises to understand more about what they may need, and then we're able to give them a quote at that stage. You won't get passed from pillar to post, and you'll be assigned a specific solicitor who will deal with all matters on your behalf. You have complete peace of mind knowing the cost from the outset, and you won't be tied into lengthy contracts.